Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create subtasks and subtasks of subtasks and more subtasks in Taskade. Alright, so what we've got here is our project. We've just named it How to Harbor, and you can see that these are tasks. Okay, so wherever you're going to click, you're going to be able to add in more tasks. Alright, so whatever it is that you want to add in, go ahead and do that. Now I've got this task over here, and if you click on enter, you'll actually see that this is a subtask. So this is subtask 1. Okay, and if you hit enter, this is subtask 2. And you'll see this by the way that it's been structured. So underneath this, you'll see the little arrow, and you can actually drop down this menu, and these are your subtasks. Now, let's say that you've got something here that you would like to make a subtask. Just go ahead, make sure that this is open, click down over here, and you can see if you put your item underneath operations, it will come in as operations. If you're going now, and you can see it's going underneath as a subtask. Now you can create this as a subtask of a subtask. If you move to the right, you'll see that this now is a subtask of that. And if you want to change that, you can literally just go ahead, drag it and pull it out, and this will now allow you to change that from being a subtask back to being one of the main tasks.